we are going to the beach, and then oh my god, it's blurry. Okay, we're going to the beach, and then we're going to a swap meet. This is what I have so far, but I have an idea. So I'm gonna put this bathing suit on. So cute, and I will use this as a cover up because I don't want to wear a shirt with it because I feel like none of my shirts go with that color, but that fit. I just have a vision, and I swear, like I feel like it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna, not I feel. I know it's gonna work. It's gonna be a fit. Va a salir bien perrón ese fit. Ya van a mirar. Okay. I just have my stuff put away because I don't want to throw it everywhere. And I'm like, where's this? Where's that? So but yeah. Ese va a salir bien perrón ese pinche fit, you know? This is a shirt. I'm just gonna put it over here with my other shirts. I'll have it at least somewhere. Oh, did I show you guys? It's in my bag. Sorry. This is my little tote bag that I've been taking around. I have all my shit in here. My aunt got us these yesterday. They were surprises. It is the cutest thing ever. Tell me not. It's so cute. I'll show you guys later what I got. I got a lot of cute stuff so far. We went shopping, kind of. It's because we went to the Pearl Harbor, like you saw on the clips. We went to the Pearl Harbor, and I had got some cute stuff there. So that's.
I thought you were talking to yourself. Like, what the hell is wrong with you, bro?
I mean, no. I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I have my cameras, I got my speaker, but yeah, okay, so this is like the top, just a little cover up, my bathing suit, we used to have our bathing suits under, bottoms, and the skirt, and then my white chanclas, the only chanclas I have, so, I'll show you right now.
Ready? Aquí estamos con... What's up, guys? Oh, wait, this is the fit? Wait, come on. We're at the swap meet here in Hawaii. I'm not sure what city we're in at. Hold on.
Sorry, I have to make it clear that's why.
There it works. We're in Honolulu right now. This is the swap meet right here. This used to be, I want to say like the baseball,
I swear, I'm just kidding.
I think this was like the baseball or like the, I'm not sure it was like soccer or baseball stadium. But yeah.
It's always in California,
So
I swear.
So we're here just buying stuff for everybody, buying stuff for ourselves, take some stuff back home because you know, you didn't come to Hawaii. Dad, you could get new pants. Daddy, but I got nuevos pantalones. This is Disney, los que no quedan. But yeah, are you gonna buy anything here, Jasmine?
Probably for Beatrice, but I don't have money. I'll pay you when we get home.
Yeah. You got your dad.
I know.
But yeah, okay. We're gonna look around. I have my list of everybody that I'm gonna buy stuff for. So yeah. Go crazy. This is your vlog.
I have some gummies to try right now.
Okay guys, we got some snacks so far. So we can try later for the vlog. Now I don't know where we're going. Oh, we're gonna go see, my dad wants to see Maui's hook made out of a shark's tooth. Starts like at 100 and something, but like
What the hell?
well they're made out of shark teeth, so obviously it's gonna be expensive. They're really nice though.
Look at this. Can y'all believe this? Can you guys believe this?
$107 guys. We secured the bag. We still need more. I literally just grabbed stuff and I don't even know who's gonna be for who, but I just know everybody's gonna get something. Come on. Follow me.
Gotta show them around. I keep getting you off guard.
Those signs really bright.
That's
There you go. You could keep looking at me.
Okay.
6 for $20.
Up to turn. Probably you can't zoom out. You can't zoom out.
Yeah.
Out.
Oh, no. That's how you can get it from like here.
Yeah, much better.
And then you can zoom into the left or however you want. Tongue.
Ew, I felt your spit. Ew. Welcome you. Look at that. Chip, here, class. Chip. There you go. Oh my god.
Ah, tu madre que tome coco.
I give him a moment. Fondo. Ah.
What's that, homie? I'm dead. There we go. Now you can see yourself.